आज मेरा वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ, मैं टाइम पे नहीं पहुंच पाया, मैं ये नहीं कर पाया, मैं वो नहीं कर पाया, मैं
मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है। मुझे गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए, बट मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है।
समझ में आ रहा है? आर यू सीरियस? वी वर सपोज टू गो लाइक मेरा जिम छूट गया. डोंट थिंक दैट इफ आई एम स्माइलिंग आई एम नॉट एंग्री ऑन यू. ओके, द बीन्स आर नॉट कमिंग आउट. स्टॉप इट! मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. What's up everyone? Welcome to the very first episode of Ascendant series, meaning Rising Sign. I'm your host Shilpi, and today we are going to talk about Aries Ascendant, the fiery Ascendant. These people are dynamic, action-oriented, loud, bold, and born leaders. They want to take lead in any matter. They want to be the first in every way possible, and taking lead is their true nature. And they go to any extent for that. This ascendant is ruled by Mars, who is a fiery planet. It's an active planet full of energy. You know what I mean? And when Mars becomes the planet of your first house, it implants its quality in your personality. Be it any planet in your first house, directly gets into that personality zone where that particular person will have a major amount of being as the nature of that planet. Was I clear? Because first house signifies your personality and the way you're seen to people. Ascendant. Fire is your element, Rem is your symbol, and your color is red. And also Aries falls under cardinal sign, which we will talk about in some other episode. Aries ascendant is most compatible with Leo, Aquarius and Librans, and they are least compatible with Piscean, Virgos and Cancers. So to harness Mars's energy in a right direction, you guys should do a lot of activities, say what, going to the gym or hitting some sports or being active in that manner so that you can channelize this energy into developing something and not in a destructive manner. And rest, do meditation, try to do meditation. I know it's gonna be a little difficult for y'all to sit at one place because that active nature will want you to be on the go, but I will suggest you to sit down quietly for 10 minutes minimum a day so that your thoughts can get aligned and you will not end up taking impulsive decisions, which is a very major aspect of your ascendant, being impulsive. Also drink a lot of water and try to be responsive than being reactive. I know even this is gonna be a little difficult because that energy is an active energy. Mars's energy is an active energy which will want you to run rather than walk or brisk walk. So yeah, I will suggest you to do that, because what happens when this energy is not able to channelize itself in a manner where it is releasing, then it will release in a way of reaction into these situations, which I'm sure nobody wants to fall for. So for you guys, for Aries ascendant, the best part is that you guys can do that sprint workout, or go for CrossFit, or go for high intensity training, so that for that 45 to 1 hour to 1.5 hour, you guys are being at most speedy pace while working out, so that active energy has some way to go and to build something on that ground. And later on, like for rest your 22 hours in that 24 hours of the day, you will be calm and composed to do certain things, and you won't be that impulsive. Like you've already channelized your energy. समझ रहा है ना? Like already वो energy को channelize कर चुके हैं, तो अब वो 24 hours के लिए इतना bother नहीं करेगा जितना if अगर उसको किया ही नहीं गया हो. So keep that in mind, and try to wear red color on Tuesdays. Again, it's all about playing with that Martian energy, with that color. And if by doing these small simple remedies you can balance your life, then what else you want? Right? So that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow with another episode of this Ascendant series. Till then, take care and love from Shilpi, yaar. It's my very first episode. It's my very first video. You better like it.